Today I'm going to be teaching you how I make my spaghetti. I was going to say to you how to make spaghetti, but you might already know how to make it. But I'm going to show you how I make it. And yeah,
So we're just going to start off with 1 pound of ground beef, because that's how I make mine. And we're just going to add all of these lovely ingredients. So I already chopped up my fresh garlic. I think this was 3 garlic cloves, and then pepper, Italian seasoning, salt, parsley, garlic, garlic powder, cilantro, garlic, salt, and yeah, just knocking over stuff, because that's how we do. I'm just going to add all of that in there, and I'm going to mix it up, and then we're going to put it in the pan here. Okay, everybody, so when you're done mixing it all into the meat, it should look like this. And now we're just going to add it into the pan and then brown it. While I'm cooking the ground beef, I'm bringing this to a boil, and I'm just going to add some oil in it. This is for my spaghetti noodles, and I add the oil in there to make sure that the spaghetti noodles don't stick. Okay, so I'm using the whole wheat thin spaghetti noodles, and it actually tastes way better than the regular spaghetti noodles. Alright, so the meat is all done cooking, and now I'm just going to add my sauce. I have the flavored meat sauce and then the spicy Italian. So yeah, I'm just going to put both of those in there, and yeah. If you don't want to do like garlic toast or something like that, sorry. If you hear my son, I guess he just wants to help out. So you're gonna need the parsley flakes, garlic powder, or if you have garlic salt, that'll be good, and then some butter and some salt, but only if you have the garlic powder. And so what we're gonna do is we have these, so we're just going to
Okay, everyone, so that is how the food looks. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.